How to use hashtags on Instagram. Hashtags have taken over the internet. Hashtags refer to keywords or keyword phrases that are spelled without spaces and prefaced with a pound sign. They are generally used to reference events, conferences, pop culture, entertainment, or recurring themes, and are a great way to make your content more visible. Instagram feeds are constantly changing, which makes sense considering the 95 million photos that are shared daily. With that much content, it can be difficult for your account to get noticed. That's where hashtags come in handy. On Instagram, hashtags aggregate posts from a wide variety of users into a single feed, although only public accounts can show when searching hashtags. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.